All right, now we're going to evaluate the functions. I really enjoy doing this. It's just solving for a variable. So if you remember, when we talked about f of x the very first time, I told you that f of x was a fancy way of saying y. And that if I had the point f3, 6, this was just a fancy point. This was the point 3, 6. It meant that my x value was 3 and my y value would be 6. So when we evaluate for functions, they're going to give us a function, k of x, it looks like here, and then they're going to tell us to evaluate k of -4. Well, the -4 here is what I'm going to be using to replace my x. So we write this k of -4 equals 3/4 times -4 plus 6. I just replaced x with the -4. Now I'm just going to evaluate. I'm going to do 3/4 times -4, which would be -3, plus 6 is 3. So k of -4 is 3. For the x value, -4, the y value is 3. Moving on, we have k of 8. Here I've got k of 8 equals 3/4 times 8 plus 6. 3/4 times 8, well, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So k of 8 is 12. When the x value is 8, the y value is 12. One more, k of 10. K of 10, I have 3/4 times 10 plus 6. Now, before I solve this, we could solve it down and you would be able to get an answer. But if you notice, 10, does 10 fit inside my domain? No, 10 does not fit inside my domain. In order for 10 to fit inside my domain, I would have to have an or equal sign down here because x has to be less than 10. X cannot equal 10. So here I would have no solution. Now let's try evaluating from a graph. Here they've given me a graph. They want me to find f of -3. All I'm going to do is find -3 on my x-axis. 1, 2, 3. -3 is this open circle right here. And I need to find where -3 lies on my graph. Well, it falls right here in this open circle. But if you remember, an open circle means no solution. Let's try f of 0. Well, 0 on my x-axis is here. If I go up to where my graph is, what's the y point part of that point? That's the point 0, 1, 2, 3. So f of 0 equals 3. How about f of 6? F of 6 is down here, and that would be the point 6, -10. Oh, no, actually, it looks like that's -9. So f of 6 equals the y portion, -9. That's how we evaluate functions.